I'll be dealing with chemistry. And I'll be starting with definition of chemistry. So you want to notice that chemistry is a branch of science that deals with the study of matter in relation to its properties, the changes, the nature, the composition, and the application of the matter. So in the definition of chemistry, there are key terms that we have to consider. The first one there is we have to consider matter. Okay, another thing that we have to check there is the changes. We have to consider the properties. We have to consider the nature of the matter. We have to check the composition of the matter. And the last key term there is applications of the matter. So these are the key terms in the definition of chemistry. Now the first question is, what do we call a matter? A matter is anything that has mass and can occupy a space, and that is what we call a matter. So I am a matter, you are a matter, this board is a matter, this marker is a matter, air is matter, water is matter. So anything that has mass and can occupy a space is what we term matter. Okay, and that's what we call matter. The second thing that we want to consider here is the nature of the matter. Now, what do we call nature? Nature, or you say state, or you say phases of the matter. In chemistry, we have three major states of matter, and they are solid, liquid, and gaseous. These are the three major states of matter that we have in chemistry. So the first thing I want you to take note about these three states of matter is that the major difference between these three states of matter is average kinetic energy. This is the major difference between our three states of matter. Average kinetic energy. The word kinetic is a Greek word, and in Greek it is called kinesis, or you call it kinema. And in Greek it means movement. And that is why when you hear the word kinetic, kinematics, kinesis, kinema in science, it is related to movement. So kinetic energy is just the moving energy. And when you look at the three states of matter, okay, for example, I have the marker. Let's say I have flowing water, and I have a gas. If you look at these three matters, you will notice that solid, or the marker, can only move when you apply force to it. But look at liquid, it can flow, okay, on its own without applying any force to it. But gaseous moves within microseconds. And that is why the kinetic energy of gaseous is more appreciable than other states of matter. So gaseous, or gases, they have the highest average kinetic energy, followed by liquid, and then we have solid. So this is the major difference between our three states of matter. In our next class, I'm going to explain other differences of our states of matter. Then I also explain the other key words that we have in the definition of chemistry. Thank you very much. I remain Ajadio.